Hello dear, all GSM friend, Assalamu alaikum. Today subject Infinix X659B MDM remove just flashing 100% trusted. Next, Symphony Z70 flash file FRK hang logo date mode repair 100% trusted. Next, Infinix X659 MDM remove just flashing 100% trusted. Next, LG V60 is it outside. Working. Okay, same problem. Techno K70S MDM remove just flashing 100% trusted. All GSM friend, at past my YouTube channel, subscribe, like and comment and Facebook share. Okay. All video now see, no skip. And video and all flash file link and description no link, comment box no link, just YouTube rule. If you need your link, any link, just you open any browser, Chrome browser, Mozilla Fire, any browser open, just Google click now and site name Borsha Mobile, BORSA Borsha Mobile, clear? Borsha. And next down, up, down, and click blogger Borsha Mobile. Okay, please wait, opening now. And blogger search X if XX 366, just search now any file this model. Now see and download. Okay, any download problem, WhatsApp imo now number 24-hour service, any file password paid, and WhatsApp imo, any solution, any dongle. Okay, no problem, just solution and WhatsApps are not 24 hours. Goodbye.